Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see the 2023 NEET exam, Zoology Part 2, questions and answers with explanations. Subscribe for more videos and click bell icon for the immediate notification. The first question is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, vasectomy, coitus interruptus, cervical gaps, Sahel. List 2, oral method, barrier method, surgical method, natural method. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option first. And this question is taken from Unit 6, Reproduction, Chapter 4, Reproductive Health. The next question is, given below are two statements. Statement 1, RNA mutates at a faster rate. Statement 2, viruses having RNA genome and shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. The light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option 4. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Explanation, both DNA and RNA are able to mutate. In fact, RNA being unstable mutate at a faster rate. Consequently, viruses having RNA genome and having a shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. This question is taken from Unit 7, Genetics and Evolution, Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. The next question is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, cells, peptic cells, goblet cells, opsontic cells, hepatic cells. List 2, secretion, mucus, bile juice, proenzyme pepsinogen, HCl, an intrinsic factor for absorption of vitamin B12. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option 2. This question is taken from Unit 5, Human Physiology, Chapter 16, Digestion and Absorption. Next question is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, ringworm, filariasis, malaria, pneumonia. List 2, Haemophilus influenza, Trichophyton, Vechereria pankrofti, Plasmodium vivax. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option 4. And this question is taken from Unit 9, Chapter 8, Human Health and Disease. The next question is, which of the following are not considered as part of endomembrane system? Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, Golgi complex, peroxisomes. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So the answer is option first. And this question is taken from Unit 3, Cell Structure and Functions, Chapter 8, Cell, the Unit of Life. Next question is, given below are two statements. Statement 1, ligaments are dense irregular tissue. Statement 2, cartilage is dense regular tissue. The light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option first. Explanation, ligaments are not dense irregular tissue. Ligaments are dense regular connective tissue that connects bone to bone and provides strength and stability to joints. Cartilage is not dense irregular tissue. This question is taken from Unit 2, Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals. The next question is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, Tinea, Paramecium vacuole, Periplaneta, Petivo. List 2, Nephridia, Contractile, Flame cells, Uricose gland. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. So the answer is option 2. This question is taken from Unit 2, Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals. The next question is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, heroin, marijuana, cocaine and morphine. List 2, effect on cardiovascular system, slow down body function, painkiller, interfere with transport of dopamine. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option 4. And this question is taken from Unit 8, Biology in Human Welfare, Chapter 8, Human Health and Disease. The next question is, given below are two statements. Statement 1, electrostatic precipitator is most widely used in thermal power plant. Statement 2, electrostatic precipitator in thermal power plant removes ionizing radiations. The light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So the answer is option 2. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect. Explanation, electrostatic precipitators are not used to remove ionizing radiations. used to remove solid particles from flue gas through the principles of electrostatic attraction. This question is taken from Unit 10, Chapter 16, Environmental Issues. The next question is, radial symmetry is not found in adults of phylum. So the answer is option first, Hemichordata. This question is taken from Unit 4, Diversity in Living World, Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. Section B, select the correct statements. Tetrad formation seen during leptotee. During anaphase, the centromere split and chromatids separate. Terminalization takes place during pachytee. Nucleus-Golgi complex and ER are reformed during telophase. Crossing over takes place between sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. So the answer is option first. Explanation. Tetrad formation is visible in pachytee. Terminalization of chiasmata occurs in diakinesis. Crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. So this question is taken from Unit 3, Cell Structure and Functions, Chapter 10, Cell Cycle and Cell Division. So the next question is, which one of the following is not an advantage of inbreeding? It exposes harmful recessive genes but are eliminated by selection. Elimination of less desirable genes and accumulation of superior genes takes place due to it. It decreases of the productivity of inbreed population after continuous inbreeding. It decreases homozygosity. So the answer is option 3. Explanation. Inbreeding can lead to reduction in genetic diversity, which can result in decreased fitness and productivity over generations due to increased expression of harmful recessive alleles and reduced ability to adapt to changing environments. This question is taken from Unit 8, Biology in Human Welfare, Chapter 9, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Next one is, the unique mammalian characteristics are, the answer is option first, has, pinna and mammary glands. Explanation. Other main features of mammalia, warm-blooded animals, external ears, breathe through lungs, birth to young ones, tails and forelimbs. This question is taken from Unit 1, Diversity in the Living World, Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. The next question is, given below are two statements. Statement 1, during G0 phase of cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive. Statement 2, the centrosome undergoes duplication during S phase of interphase. The light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So the answer is option 3. Statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. Explanation. During G0, cells in the stage remain metabolically active, but no longer proliferate unless called on to do so, depending on the requirement of the organism. So this question is taken from Unit 3, Cell Structure and Functions, Chapter 10, Cell Cycle and Cell Division. Next one is, which of the following statements are correct regarding skeletal muscle? Muscle bundles are held together by collagenous connective tissue layer called vesicle. Sarcoplasmic reticulum of muscle fiber is storehouse of calcium ions. Striated appearance of skeletal muscle fiber is due to distribution pattern of actin and myosin proteins. M-line is considered as functional unit of contraction called sarcomere. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So the answer is option first. This question is taken from Unit 5, Human Physiology, Chapter 20, Locomotion and Movements. The next question is, which of the following statements are correct? Basophils are most abundant cells of the total WBCs. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin. Basophils are involved in inflammatory response. Basophils have kidney-shaped nucleus. Basophils are granulocytes. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. So the answer is option 2. Explanation. Statement A is incorrect. Basophils are actually one of the least abundant type of white blood cells. Statement D is incorrect. Basophils typically have a multilobed nucleus similar to other granulocytes. Statement E is incorrect. Basophils are granulocytes, a type of white blood cell characterized by the presence of granules in their cytoplasm. This question is taken from Unit 3, Cell Structure and Functions, Chapter 8, Cell, the Unit of Life. This question is, in cockroach, excretion is brought about by phallic gland, uricose gland, nephrocytes, fat body, collateral glands. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. So the answer is option 2. This question is taken from Unit 2, Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? An excessive loss of body fluid from the body switches off osmoreceptors. ADH facilitates water reabsorption to prevent diuresis. INF causes vasodilation. ADH causes increase in blood pressure. ADH is responsible for decrease in GFR. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. So the answer is option first. And this question is taken from Unit 5, Human Physiology, Chapter 19, Excretory products and their elimination. So the next question is, select the correct statements with reference to chordates. Presence of mid-dorsal and solid and double nerve cord. Presence of closed circulatory system. Presence of paired pharyngeal bracelets. Presence of dorsal heart. Triploblastic pseudocoelomate animals. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. So the answer is option first. And this question is taken from Unit 1, Diversity in the Living World, Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. The next question is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, logistic growth condition, exponential growth, expanding age pyramid, stable age pyramid. List 2, unlimited resource availability condition, limited resource availability condition. The person, individuals of pre-reproductive age is largest, followed by reproductive and post-reproductive age groups. The person, individuals of pre-reproductive and reproductive age groups are same. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. So the answer is option 4. And this question is taken from Unit 10, Ecology, Chapter 30, Organisms and Populations. Next one is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, mast cells, inner surface of branchiole, blood, tubular parts of nephron. List 2, ciliated epithelium, areolar connective tissue, cuboidal epithelium, specialized connective tissue. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the answer is option 2. This question is taken from Unit 2, Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals. Next question is, the parts of human brain that helps in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fear, etc. are. The answer is option 4, limbic system and hypothalamus. This question is taken from Unit 5, Human Physiology, Chapter 21, Neural Control and Coordination. Next question is, which of the following are not under the control of thyroid hormone? Maintenance of water and electrolyte balance, regulation of basal metabolic rate, normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle, development of immune system, support the process of RBCs formation. Choose the correct answers from the options given below. The answer is option 2. This question is taken from Unit 5, Human Physiology, Chapter 21, Neural Control and Coordination. Next question is, which of the following characteristics feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism? The answer is option first, presence of anal stay. Explanation, cockroach males have a pair of short, thread-like anal styles that females do not have. This question is taken from Unit 2, Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals. So the last question of Zoology Part 2, which one of the following is the sequence on corresponding coding strand if the sequence on mRNA? Formed is as follows: 5 AUC, GAU, CGA, UCG, AUC, GAU, CGA, UCG, AUC, G3. So the answer is option 2. Explanation, to find the corresponding coding strand, you need to match the base pairs according to the rules of complementary base pairing. In mRNA sequence, T is the complementary for U. So the answer is 5-ATC, GAT, CGA, TCG, ATC, GAT, CGA, TCG, ATCG3. So this question is taken from Unit 7, Genetics and Evolution, Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Thank you so much for watching. We'll continue in next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.